Hi, my name is Matthew Miller, and this is my final project for CS523, programming the IoT for iOS. I have created a security camera application which can view images taken by a motion-activated camera from a Raspberry Pi. Now for some background, I am a rising 5 out of 5 in the computer engineering major. For my group's senior design project, we've decided to create an app which commuting students can use to see the availability of the various lots around Stevens on their way to campus. One crucial step in this project is the connectivity between the camera and the application, so I chose a project which combines these two things. Here is a list of the hardware and software used. This project has a camera connected to a Raspberry Pi, and the Python script within the Raspberry Pi is meant to take and transmit a picture every time movement is detected. The picture is then taken and an event is sent to the pusher, an online hosted service that basically just lets you send events in real time. On startup, the iOS app subscribes to a channel on Pusher, waiting for new photo events. When motion is detected by the Raspberry Pi and camera, the picture is taken and saved to a web host called ngrok. A new photo event is created on the Pusher channel with the picture URL. The Pusher event tells the iOS app to add the new photo to the photo feed, which can be scrolled through. When preparing to run on the Raspberry Pi side, some Python modules need to be pip installed, as well as nginx and ngrok. On the Swift side, a pod file has to be created and installed using the terminal. Now here's a demo of the project in action. Hello again, this is Matthew Miller with my final project demo for CS523, programming the IoT for iOS. So as you can see here, we've just started the app, the simulated app through Swift. And now that that's started, we're going to jump over to our Raspberry Pi and start our program in motion. As you can see, it's now waiting for motion to be detected by the camera. And again, this is all one take to show there's no shenanigans going on here. So just to get a look at our setup, here we have our Raspberry Pi and our camera module. It's pointed at this can. So for example, we could use this to check if anyone's been stealing our drink. Our nice coffee-flavored energy drink Poison. So I'm going to reach into view of the camera, steal this can, take a drink of it, and now if we go back to our computer, you'll see in this feed, we've caught our drink thief. And in this feed, you can now scroll through. So there you go, my final project for CS523, programming the IoT for iOS. In addition, to test this without a Raspberry Pi, you can make a Pusher account at pusher.com, replace the Pusher key in the viewcontroller.swift file to match the key you're given with the account, and then go into Debug Console in the Pusher and create an event as shown. Make sure to use a URL with HTTPS, as that is what Swift can handle naturally. Now, some features that I wish I could have included and would probably add if I continued with this project are push notifications to send every time motion is detected, having the feed only contain the timestamps, and then being able to click those to display the image taken, facial detection, and finally being able to manually do a live look-in on the camera whenever you wanted. This last one would definitely be the hardest to implement because a lot of the connection I have so far is just one way from camera to app and not vice versa. Despite that, I feel that this project shows an ability to program with an IoT mindset and work on different frameworks. I definitely see myself using a lot of this going into my senior design project. Finally, here are the tutorials and source code I used to get this project going. Thanks for watching, and please contact me at the displayed address with any questions or comments. Thank you.